Hello everyone, today we are going to learn orthographic views with AutoCAD. So we are going to draw a simple component with the front view, right side view in the top view. First of all, you can create all these layers as we did before. Then we are going to start drawing. So I'm going to go to the solid line part and starting drawing a line from 0, 0 and with the length 6.4 to the right, then go up with 4.2 straight up, then go to the left 3.9, then I'm going to escape and drawing a line from the other side. So from the 0, 0, so I'm going to type in 0, 0 again, then going up with 3, then connect the point here, then going to save the work. Then we're going to learn how to use construction line command. So under the draw here, then if you click that, so the third one is called construction line. And you can, there are options here. So before you're doing that, so actually I forgot to change the layer. So I'm going to go to the construction line layer. So with that, so with any 2 points, you can make a construction line such as this. And let's do it again. So with any 2 points, then you could have construction lines. Or you could do construction line completely horizontal, or completely vertical, or with an angle. So let's do a horizontal. So if you select horizontal, so you only need to click 1 point. So all your lines are going to be completely horizontal. And a similar thing if you go to the vertical one, so you only need 1 point. So all lines are going to be vertical here. Or you could draw a construction line with a specific angle, such as we do orthographic views, so they usually projected with the 45 degrees angle. So at that point, you're going to use angle here, then says the angle, so we are going to type in 45, means 45 degrees, then hit enter. Then all my construction lines are going to be 45 degrees like this. Okay, so those are construction lines. And now I'm going to delete all those construction lines. Okay, so with the part here, then we are going to draw a circle inside of this component. So for the circle, I'm going to use construction lines. So first of all, I'm going to make a construction line here and here, and offset those 2 construction lines to the center with certain dimensions to get the center of the circle. So I'm going to go down here and do construction lines. So horizontal, one is here. Then I'm going to do the vertical ones and come here. And now I'm going to offset this construction line to the left with 2 units. So do offset and the length is 2. Then select the construction line here and that's 2. Then I'm going to offset the bottom construction line up with the unit 1.5. So offset here and type in the length 1.5 and select the line, right click up then drop it down here. Now this is the center of the circle. So I'm going to draw a circle. So center diameter. So this is the center of the circle. And the diameter is 1.4. Then I'm on the wrong layer, so move it back to the solid line layer. This is the front view of the part. Now we are going to draw the right side view of the part. And So it's going to be somewhere here. So we're going to define the distance as 4. So first of all, I'm going to offset the construction line, this one to the right with 4. So offset here, and the distance type in 4, select this construction line, then 4 there. And we're going to create more construction lines because I want to know the height of the part. And with the front view and the right side view, so the height are going to be the same. Also, I will need a construction line for each intersection point for hidden lines. So intersection line here, so intersection here, intersection point here. So I'm going to go to the construction line horizontal. So one line here, one here, one here, one down here, with all the construction lines. And the thickness of this part is going to be 2 units. So I'm going to offset this construction line to the right with 2 units. So select the offset here, so type in distance as 2, and offset this to the right with 2. Then I'm going to switch it back to the solid line layer. So this is going to be the contour of the right side view of the component. And if I'm looking from the right to the left of the part with the side view, then this line I cannot see it because it's hidden. Also, all the intersection lines here, I cannot see them, but they do exist. So I will need to put hidden lines here. So I'm going to select the hidden line and put a hidden line from here to here, and also hidden line from here to here. Then once again from here to here. So those are the hidden lines. And since this is a circle, so I will need a center line here, a center mark here. And also it's a symmetric here, so I would need a center line here. So I'm going to go to the center line layer and go to the Annotate tab, then do center mark, so select the circle. And also center line, select these 2 lines, and click that and make it a little bit longer, and similar thing here, and center line, make it longer, center mark, I'm sorry, make it a little bit longer. And let's see what we got so far. So we're going to go back to the Home tab and turn off the construction line layer. And this is what we got so far. So save the work. And I'm going to turn off the snap here so I can make it as the length that I want. So front view and the right side view. Now we're going to make the top view of the part, which you look the part from the top. So first of all, I'm going to turn back on the construction line layer. And now I will need to make a 45 degrees construction line. So I'm going to go back to the construction line layer and draw a construction line with a 45 degrees angle. So click on angle and type in 45 degrees. And 0,0 is going to be the point. So click on that and hit ESC. Now I would need to draw more construction lines. So first one is here to there. So go to a horizontal once again. So horizontal, one here and another here. So as you can imagine, if you look from the right of the part, and from the top of the part, so the thickness of the part is going to be the same. So the length of this line should be equal to the length of here because they are all talking about the thickness of the part. So from the geometry class So this is 45 degrees. Then this line will be equal to the length of this line here. So this is going to be the thickness of the part as well. And we also need to create some other inner construction lines vertically to get all these intersection points. So as long as we have intersection points, we need a construction line. So I'm going to go to the construction line here and select the vertical, and one here, one here, one here. So those are all the intersection lines. Now I can make the contour of the part. So I'm going to switch it back to the solid line layer and go to the line command and make a contour of the part. Oh, this is the wrong one, sorry. So it should be here. Oh, I need another construction line here. So vertical. Oh, this is on the wrong layer, but that's okay. I'm going to move it back to the construction line layer. And draw lines, so starting here, and here, and to the right, and to the top, to the left. That's the contour of the part. So keep in mind that the length of this equals to the length of this, which is the thickness of the part. So if you look from the top of the part, then this point you should be able to see it because it's on the top of the part. But the circles, you should not be able to see it because it's hidden. They are hidden. So I will go to the solid line here again. So from here to here, then you can see it. But the circle, they are supposed to be hidden lines. So go to hidden lines from here to here. And another one is from here to here. And since it's a symmetric, I will need a center line as well. So from here to here, I think I'm on the wrong layer, so I would have to do it again. Here to here. Yep. So this line, I will need to move it back to the center line layer and give a slightly different height, so it's longer than before. Then let's turn off the construction line layer and see what we get. So this is what we get. And save the work. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.